Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
And this one was sent to us over sa ating Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Ito na po ang biyahe ng buhay ni Laika Babes. Wait lang, iba pala dapat yung tumutugtog. Eto muna, teka lang. Palitan natin. Eto yon. Eto dapat yung tumutugtog.
Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
Yan, para mas feel ko. So, eto na nga. Hi, DJ Lala. I wanna share this kasi sobrang bigat ng nararamdaman ko now. Ganun pala po talaga, no? You can give all the love but can't take it back. Though di ko naman sinasabi na dapat i-return to. Kasi iba-iba pala talaga ang perspective ng tao. Maaaring gusto ko siya, maaaring namang gusto niya ay iba. Ika nga nila ang daming nahuhulog sa isa't isa, but sa akin ay wala. Almost mag 1 year na kami this November. Pero now ko lang na-feel na parang hindi na worth it. Ang hirap pala talaga kapag private love, kasi private ka ding nasasaktan. Di ko kasi in-expect na mahuhulog siya sa friend ko. Bakit naman kasi ganun? Siguro now, focus na lang muna po ako sa ministry, ACADS and family. Sana makita niya sa friend ko ang tamang pahinga. Masakit man, kasi kaibigan ko pa, pero ako na lang po ang magpapaubaya, magbibigay at magpaparaya. Di man po sila humihingi ng sorry or apology accepted na po agad. Kasi naniniwala ako na when you forgive, you are free. Nagmamahal like a babes. My love, I know that you are trying to be strong and I love that about you. I love the attitude na sobrang giving mo. I love the attitude na despite what happened to you, ganyan pa rin yung mentality mo. Meron ka pa rin positive aura and you still wish them well. Kumbaga, I envy you for thinking like that. Kasi most people, if not all, hindi ganyan yung magiging mentality kapag ginawa yun sa kanya ng kaibigan or ng partner niya. But you are different. And I think sa mga taong katulad mo, sa inyo siguro ibinibigay yan. Kasi mas malawak yung pangunawaan ninyo. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, I envy you for having that. But my love, it's also good to accept that you are in pain. It's also good to accept and embrace na kailangan mong dumaan sa moving on process. Yes, you can forgive, pero it's hard to forget. How can you? 'Di ba? Para kasi nga, every time na makikita mo sila, kailangan mong i-acknowledge na somehow, deep within you, you felt betrayed. Feeling mo pinagkaisahan ka. Feeling mo trinaydor ka. The reason why I want you to acknowledge that, my love, is because I don't want you to be naive. Ayoko din kasi na gawin mong ugali mo yung ganyan. Yung hindi kino-confront yung emotion mo. Kasi if you do that all the time, you keep your pain to yourself. You don't speak out. Hindi mo na ilalabas yung nararamdaman mo, yung totoong nararamdaman mo, my love. People will take advantage of you. People will just keep on doing that to you kasi they will expect you to understand. Kasi they will expect you na no matter what they do to you, patatawarin mo sila kahit wala silang ginagawa. I told you it's a good attitude. Maganda yan. Pero sometimes it doesn't work like that. It shouldn't work like that. People na nakakasakit sa atin, sometimes they have to know that they are hurting us. It's not only gonna help us, it's gonna help them as well. Para ma-realize nila na it's wrong, even when they should know that. Hindi masama na sabihin sa kanila isa pa, sa isa pang paraan, ng isa pang beses na, huy, nakakasakit ka. Huy, hindi yan tama. Swerte ka kasi ako yung nasaktan mo. Kaya ko to eh. Kaya ko yung sarili ko. Matatag ako eh. Pero that doesn't mean na hindi ako nasasaktan. That doesn't mean na hindi ako nahihirapan. That doesn't mean na hindi ako umiiyak paggabi. Because I do. I do experience all that. And just so you know, I don't wanna hate you kasi ayokong iangkla yung sarili ko. Ikadena yung sarili ko sa nakaraan. I don't wanna hate you. But I want to let you know that I feel betrayed. That I am in pain. I can forgive you, but I don't think I can forget. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? You need to have an outlet for that feeling. If walang nakakaalam na naging kayo, let the outlet be the person itself that you are sharing that memory with. Let him know that you are in pain because of what he did. Let him know na sana hindi mo rin yan gawin sa kaibigan ko. Kasi marami namang private relationships eh. Mga relationship na hindi pinopost, mga relationship na hindi pinagsasigawan sa buong mundo. Pero there's a fine line between private and a secret relationship. Naintindihan mo ko? Merong fine line between privacy and secrecy. What happened to you guys was not keeping your relationship in private. What happened to you guys was you were keeping your relationship in secret. Sikreto yung inyo, hindi privacy. There's a difference, my love. And that's the reason why I want you to acknowledge the pain na nararamdaman mo, so next time na mapupunta ka sa isang relasyon, alam mo na yung pinagkaiba ng iniingatan sa tinatago. Kasi right now you don't. Right now, obviously, hindi mo nakita yung difference. But that is okay. Lahat naman tayo may learning curve. Lahat naman tayo nagkakamali sa mga desisyon na ginagawa natin sa buhay, and that's where we learn, and that's when we learn. And sometimes, or most of the time, yung experience naman talaga natin ang best teacher. So gusto ko yung plano mo, mag-focus ka na lang muna dyan sa family mo, sa ministry mo, sa ACADS mo. I like that. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, I envy the attitude that you have after having your heart broken. And I wish you nothing but all the success this life has to offer. Siguro, from ate to you na lang. Next time you fall in love, do not keep it a secret. You can shut the world out from that relationship. Pwede yun, my love. Pero not to the people you love. Let them know that you are in love. Let them know that you are happy. Let them know that you are in a safe place. Kasi after all, that's one of the surreal feeling of being in love. Having someone na you'll be proud of, na ipakilala sa mga taong mahalaga sa buhay mo. Kasi you are trying to welcome that person in your world, just like how that person is trying to welcome you sa mundo niya. Hindi kasi talaga nagsusurvive ang entity sa mundo nang siya lang mag-isa. No man is an island, my love. Even relationships. Relationships must have connections. And those connections help build the foundation of that relationship for it to last. Lagi mo yang tatandaan. Okay? So again, I wish you all the best in life, like a babes. Like I told you, you deserve it. This one is a lesson learned. And I hope next time you fall in love, pwede mo na siyang ipagsigawan. Hindi man sa mundo, kahit sa harapan na lang ng mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Klaro? Klaro. Sa mga kabisyo natin, I hope narinig nyo yon at I hope na intindihan nyo yon na merong malaking pagkakaiba yung you are being kept in private and you are being kept in secret. Magkaiba po ang pinoprotektahan sa itinatago. Malaki ang pagkakaiba niyan. You should know the difference. Kaya sa mga kabisyo natin, mag-ingat-ingat po sa pakikipagrelasyon. If your partner doesn't want your relationship to be known by anyone, isa na yung malaking red flag. You have to ask questions. I know na it's hard for you to accept na merong chansang mawala siya sa'yo by getting the answers you want. But, my love, hindi naman yun answers na want mo lang na gusto mo lang. Those are answers that you need before ka mag-invest in a relationship. Before ka mag-invest ng oras, ng atensyon sa taong yon, you should know kung meron ka ba dapat ipaglaban, kung meron ka bang ipinaglalaban, at kung meron ka bang lumaban. Klaro? Klaro.